2 by 3. So let's go ahead and divide 2 by 3. So as 2 is less than 3, we'll have to take a decimal and take a 0 over here. 3 into 6 is 18. Then we still get 20. Then it's 6 over here and 20. So this keeps repeating endlessly. So in other words, 2 by 3 is equal to 0.666 and so on, which would never end. In other words, it's called a recurring or non-terminating decimal. The way to represent this is we have something called as a bar. So 2 by 3 can be represented as 0.6 bar. The bar here represents the endless number of sixes which will be there after the decimal. Second question, minus 25 by 36. Now let's try to divide the positive numbers first and then we'll come up with the negative symbol at last. So 25, as 25 is less than 36, we'll need a decimal over here. 250, 36 6 times is 216, and then we have 34 here. Then 36 9 times is 324. Then we have a 16 over here. 36 4 times is 144. Then we have 160, repeating endlessly. So therefore minus 25 by 36 is equal to minus 0.694444 and so on. So if you carefully observe, not the entire portion of decimal is repeating, only 4 is repeating. So the bar should be placed only on 4. In other words, this should be written as 0.694 bar. This is different from writing 0.694 bar. So this is wrong. This would be correct if the entire part would be recurring. So we need to be careful in placing the bar. Over here only 4 is repeating, so we kind of place the bar on 4. Let's move on to the third problem. 22 by 7. This is famously called as pi. Let's go ahead with the division. 7 3 times would be 21. Then as 1 is less than 7, we'll need a decimal. 7 into 1 times is 7. Then we have a 30. 7 into 4 times is 28. Then we have a 20. 7 into 2 times is 14. Then we have a 60. 7 8 times is 56. Then we have a 40. 7 5 times is 35. Then we have a 50. And 7 7 times is 49. Then we have a 10, which keeps on going. If you observe, we got 10 over here. So 22 by 7 is equal to 3.14285 with everything repeating, which means the bar has to be placed on the entire number 3.14285 bar. Observe the difference that the bar is now placed on the entire decimal portion. Let's move on to the fourth problem.